So this is the plan for today. Okay, grammar clause, open-ended comprehension, and composition. Okay, now for any new students, this is our basically our house rules. If you have any question, you just raise your hand in the function, in the chat function, and you unmute yourself. Now, if you need to be excused, if you need to go to toilet, for example, just let me know. But don't worry, you will have a short toilet break in the middle of the lesson, like about 3:45, like that. Okay, so don't worry. So if you can just hang in there, don't go to toilet first, it'd be great. Okay, and let's see. Well, as I mentioned, the three things that we're going to do today: grammar clause, open-ended comprehension, and of course, composition. Okay, let's start with the first one, grammar clause. Okay, so here is basically grammar comprehension clause. You just have to fill in the blanks, okay? Now there will be 10 questions. Guys, sorry, my throat is a bit itchy today. So just bear with me with the coughs, okay? If you find that something that I said wasn't clear, just unmute yourself and teacher, sorry, can you repeat that? I will repeat that, okay? So sorry about that. Okay, so here there are three questions, right? So what I want you guys to do here, take 1 minute, read this slide, and then you put in your answer for 1, 2, 3, sorry, and 4 inside the chat function. So you have to type your answer in the chat function. So your 1 minute starts now. Okay. I think most of you have written in the answer now. Let's look at this passage, yeah? Now, blacksmithing, when we are reading, try to visualize these things. Now, blacksmithing, I think you would know, like, if you had watched some ancient time war kind of programs or shows, they will try to make their swords, through weapons, like using hammer and anvil. So they will like hit using H-E-A-T, hit. They will use hit, H-E-A-T. Then they will H-I-T, the hit with the hit. Okay, that's what we call blacksmithing. It's interesting. It's an interesting occupation that people had in the past to make weapons for the war. Okay, so it is the question 1. I think most of you got it. I saw the answers just now. So it is the art of forging metals. Like I mentioned, they use tools. So basically using tools. So using tools, that will be P. Like hammer and an anvil to make objects like hinges, nails, and more. And also, like I mentioned, like even the swords and all. It was a common practice before the Industrial Revolution when most towns had their, this one would be had their Own. So this one should be H. Own. Town blacksmith shop. Also known as a village smithy. Okay, known as basically he's the one in every village there is one person that will make all these weapons. So known as. Okay, so nice. I think most of you already got the answer here. Okay, so is the so let's find the clues on how to confirm these answers. Now, why is B the art? Because it's the art of forging metal and then using tools like hammer. So basically tools like hammer and anvil. So these are the tools. When most towns had their own, so you're talking about towns. So each town have their own shop. So it's all this shop is known as the village smithy. So when you do close, or any questions, try to find the clues. Okay, let's try the next one. Okay, 5, 6, 7 is here. Can you take 1 minute to type in your answers just like just now? Your 1 minute starts now. Okay, I think most of the answers are, let's check your answers, yeah. So in the late 1800s, factories and mass production reduced the demand. Demand for what? So demand, what kind of, so basically demand is already the clue word here. For, this would be G. Oh, wait, sorry. Okay, so as I said, this would be the clue, demand for smith tools and hardware. Today, blacksmithing is regaining popularity. Have blacksmiths become more interested? So this should be C, right? Become more interested. Yeah, C. In forging, yeah. Oh, what is going on here? I think my computer is also a bit sick today, just like the owner. That's why it keeps going around the slides. So sorry. Okay, so become more interested in forging their own tools, and modern blacksmith groups offer support, education, and a sense of community around this growing niche. This should be K. Around. Okay, so blacksmiths become more interested community around this growing niche. So that would be the clue for this slide. Okay, so the question is until 10. So you've got 8, 9, and 10 to still do 3 more questions. So take 1 minute like just now, try to put in the answers. You got 30 more seconds to type in your answer for 8, 9, 10 if you have not done so. Okay, most of the answers are in. Let's check, yeah. The blacksmithing industry has changed greatly over the last 200 years. So this will be over. So over is F. From a necessary skill to an artisanal craft, the time before the Industrial Revolution was a golden age of American blacksmithing. Why is it? Due to the demand. So this is due. So demand is D. For metalwork in newly developing communities, blacksmiths created. What? A bit messy here. Hang on. Why is it not erasing? Oh, okay. So for question 9 is G, due. Question 10 is N for created. Let's find the clues first. Has changed greatly over a period of 200 years. Okay, so why is it changed? Okay, because of the demand for the metalwork. So they created the essential tools. Okay. Okay, let me just stop share for a while. Just want to share something with you guys other than this. Okay, so basically we've already did this passage on blacksmithing, but I feel that it is a really interesting art or occupation to have in the past as an occupation, now as an art. I want to share with you that first, yeah? I want to share with you this short video first. Give me a minute while I take the video up to the screen.